My name's Leah. Good name! And today we have a giant Shopkins season all kinds surprise balloon. Oh my goodness, this is so awesome. I wonder what Shopkins will get. And it's a challenge. And I'll explain the rules right now. The challenge is, well, we start off like this. So we have 3 favorite Shopkins. Like, I really like 3 Shopkins, she really likes 3 Shopkins, and when we pop this balloon, we'll be looking for our 3 favorite Shopkins, and whoever gets like the most of their favorite Shopkins wins! Yay! And Francesca is gonna pop it this time. Yeah, maybe she's a little bit scared. Okay, so lift this up. I'm too scared. Okay, balloons. What you gonna do? Alrighty, guys. Oh my God, I don't want to do it. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. That is so cool. Wait, did something fall? Oh wow! Look at this. Oh my goodness. OMG. Let's open it. Yeah. Wow, look at this! We have a Shopkins fashion spray basket! We never opened this! And some eggs, Shopkins eggs! Oh my God! I know! And a crate! Hold on, Leah. I didn't even tell the 3 favorite Shopkins. Okay, mine is Pretty Puff, June Balloon, and Baby Fork. What are yours? Puppy House, Milk Bud, and Salsa Bell. Okay. So let me organize it. I get 3 of these, you get 3 of these, and I will get a white and I got a white and a light pink, and you will get these 2. I'll get 1 in each color. And you get some in each color, and now it's all organized. Let's keep going. Okay, all right. Let's hope we get one of our favorites. Ooh! Oh, they're blind bags. Good. Whoa. Oh my gosh, they're so fuzzy. Okay, does this have a checklist or what? Oh my God, where is... Oh my God, these are so fuzzy. OMG. I want to open another. Whoa, ring. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I found the checklist. Look, this is a fuzzy one. Fuzzy. Fashion spray. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Wait. So this is Ring-a-Ling. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Which one we're gonna start? And this one is Sweet Scene. Who is that? Ring-a-Ling. I like that name. Okay, so let me have a checklist. Wait, don't open it yet. This is breadcrumbs. It's from the bakery. Okay. Who's that? Jelly jam. Yeah, jelly jam. A petkin. Okay, now I'm gonna open the sweet streak also. Fashion spray. Yeah, next. I want to open an egg. I'm gonna open the fashion spray. Okay, so this is our first round, and we didn't get any of our favorites, so yeah. But I do like these. These are my brand new favorites, so yeah, but still, no. Oh my gosh. Piano. Okay, so hold on to that for a second, okay, Leah? Piano. I play piano. So piano. I might put this on the piano. Piano. Okay, just put it on the table, and I'll check the name, okay? Okay. It probably might be piano. Okay, I got it. Piano. Oh yeah. Our piano. Oh yeah. That is so ringing. Yeah, totally. Okay. OMG. Whoa. We have this handbag Harriet in a different color. Oh my gosh. Yeah, handbag Harriet. Yeah, it's a brand new favorite. And my other one is right here. Miss Pressy, but in the normal color. And the ones that are in the different color, the ones that we never seen in the different color, those are repaints. Okay, Miss Pressy. And, ooh, this piano is so cool. Piano Man. What? Piano Man? Okay, next. My this looks like a Bun Bun slipper. It is Bun Bun slipper. Whoa! And if you want to put this on your Barbie doll, if you have one, you can't really. But it's fuzzy. Cool. Scissors. Oh yes, next. Yeah, let's keep going. This was round number 2, and nobody got one of their favorites. Okay. Okay. All right. I want to open another fashion spring. These are so cool. Can I borrow the scissors? Yeah. Like, these fashion sprees are so cool. We never opened them. I know. We're so surprised that we are getting brand new Shopkins that are our brand new favorites. Like, almost all the fashion sprees are my favorite. Like, each one I see. Alright. Okay, put those down and I'll check this out in a minute, okay? Okay. So, let's go with this one. This one. Whoa, this is cool. So, her name is, I'll show you in a sec. Doofa. Ew. It looks like a ballet bag. Oh my god, so this looks like a cushion or a skirt. What's the name? Penelope Pleats. Did you know this is my favorite? I got one of my favorites. Sasha Belt, one of the favorites, but Leah, she's in the new color, so I don't think that really counts. That's a serious color. Yeah, it does count. Oh man, I've got lots of catching up. And the other one is peely potato. Okay, next, I am gonna open a fashion spree basket. I'm gonna open a fashion. Another fashion spree because I'm really tape. Who puts tape on? I have no idea. Weird. Okay, that's weird. I'm gonna close my eyes because it's a surprise. Oh, good idea. Okay, put that on the table, like right here. I'll show that in a second. Show that in a second. Okay, I'll get my next one out. Oh, where's the other one? Okay, this feels like a, let's see. Edgar Egg Cup. Pretty cool. This feels like a something. Let me see. Edgar Egg Cup, Edgar Egg Cup. Oh! Okay. So Edgar Egg Cup, and right here, oh my god, is this Doggy Bone? Okay guys, this is like super weird. I don't see her. Oh, this is Bone Addict. Addict. This one is so cute. Shades, yeah. Oh, let me see. Oh, we forgot to show the basket. Oh yeah, let's do that. Round 2, we didn't get any of our favorites, but I will show these guys. So this is, I found her, Sneaker. Okay, and she is Tawny Music Box. She doesn't look like a music box, but if they say she is, yeah. Great. Scissors. Oh. Why don't you open like something else? You always open a fashion spree, but it is up to you. I'm gonna open an egg. Okay, Leah has 1 point. I got 0. That's still okay. This video is just for fun, not for any prize or anything. That. Whoa! A new color of earring twins. So yeah, Leah's got. Okay, put those down. And I'll tell them in a minute. Earring twins! Cool. And this is Teeny Tree. I always thought this was a little tree. Whoa, but it's teeny. Flat. Oh, okay, flat. So yeah, she's got a point. I don't. And this is satchel. I don't know. Okay. Next. That was round 3. No, 4. Yeah, 4, and we didn't get any.
Can I have scissors?
Well, I didn't get the one. Yeah, you can have scissors. She's got one that she wanted, and I've got 0. 1, a 0. I'm gonna open a fashion spree. Yeah, so I'm opening a fashion spree. Cool! I'll show you that in a minute. And oh yeah! Okay. Time to show you guys. Alright! Leah, okay.
Blue pockets.
Yeah, that's okay. You can share them with your friends. Oh, yeah. Alright, Taylor Rain. So it looks like the fashion spree is copying names from season 3 because Jennifer Rain, Taylor Rain is the name from season 3. So is Bun Bun Slipper.
Francesca.
And so is Bonnie Beret.
This can be open.
Oh, that's weird.
I think about something. Gabrielle, I can't share these 2 Shopkins with Gabrielle and Elise.
Okay, if we get duplicates from the fashion spree, I'd love to give them to our cousin Gabriella and Elise because they don't do videos like with toys, so I like to share. Yeah, because I really like them. Oh yes, Cindy Bun. Okay, it was just and Egg Chick. Wait, could you bring those balloons a little there?
Okay.
Oh, thanks.
Okay. Scissors.
Woo! Prickles.
In the new color.
Here's Prickles, not in the new color, but
I want to get Prickles in the serious color.
we also have Donnie Donut.
And the new color.
Yeah, we didn't get her in this one. Yeah, so lots of these are my favorite, but yeah.
Oh my god.
OMG,
Serious.
Ooh, alright. Yeah, so we're doing round 5.
Serious color.
No, round 6. And I still don't have my favorites. She has one and 0. But I'm still happy that I'm getting new favorites.
Oh my god.
Okay, so put that like right here so I know. And here. So here's crispy lettuce.
Wait, I need scissors for a minute.
And maple syrup.
That's big apple cost. Big apple cost.
Wait, this is Big Topic in the brand new color that Leah got.
I thought it's big apple cost.
And peely potato in the regular color. Yeah. Okay, let's keep going.
Whoa, it's a total mess here.
Yeah, let me try to open this egg without using scissors.
Okay, another duplicate.
Oh, wait, we don't have that one, but we do have, yeah. Woo!
Serious color.
Yeah. So here's Miss Mushy Moo in the new color. Oh.
Hello, scissors.
Oh, right. Dinky drink or dinky stinky drink?
Or dinky pinky drink.
Okay, so minty. Yeah, this is minty. This is minty or Peter Pan. One of those. I just get confused. In the new color, I think.
Cupcake queen.
Yeah, our ice cream queen. Cupcake or ice cream queen.
Okay, I want to get puppy hats.
One more chance. I don't have anything else. I open all mine, so.
None of my favorites. Can I open her?
Yeah, you can. she's a duplicate. We've got her cookie nut. And yep. Yeah, so she's the winner because I got 0 and she's got 1. I should have picked other ones, like common ones. It's on my fault that I picked rare and stuff. Okay, and now let's take a closer look of all our Shopkins that we got for our fashion spree.
That's hers and that's mine.
From our fashion spree season for crates. Alright guys, so this is our collection. It shows all the Shopkins that we got from our eggs, crates, and baskets today. And in the comment section, you can let us know which one is your favorite. And speaking of favorites, I really like all of them. Seriously, they're all so cool. And it's okay if you pick the same one, all of them as well.
But do we really have to pick one?
No, we don't. We can pick any kind.
3 or 2 or 1.
Who are yours?
This piano, this bun bun slipper, and one more.
I really like the fuzzy ones.
How about this one?
Alright guys, so that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed our Shopkins ginormous balloon challenge. It was so much fun, don't you think?
Yay!
And just a reminder, please let us know which ones are your favorite. We're just so curious.
Yeah, like our guinea pigs.
Yeah, they're very curious. So,
What's great to see you?
Don't go too far.